to present Spectre Protocol, a privacy-preserving payment system built on Solana that solves one of the biggest problems in decentralized finance today. Imagine you're a trader who wants to send a payment on Solana. Right now, every single transaction is completely public. Anyone can see how much money you have, who you're paying, exactly how much you're sending, your entire transaction history. This is like broadcasting your bank balance and every purchase you make to the entire world. It's not just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. High-value traders lose millions to MEV attacks and front-running. Businesses can't use public blockchains because their competitors can analyze their entire financial strategy. And regular users, they have zero financial privacy. This public transparency wasn't a design choice, it was a limitation. Until now. Spectre Protocol brings true privacy to Solana payments using token 2022's confidential transfer extension. Here's how it works. First, we use algamel homomorphic encryption. Your balance is encrypted on-chain, but here's the magic. The encryption is homomorphic. That means you can add and subtract encrypted numbers without ever decrypting them. Only you, with your private key, can see your actual balance. Second, we implement zero-knowledge range proofs. When you send a payment, you generate a cryptographic proof that shows you have enough funds without revealing how much you actually have. It's like proving you're over 21 to buy alcohol without showing your birth date. Third, every transaction amount is encrypted end-to-end. The blockchain validates the transaction using cryptographic proofs, but the actual amounts remain hidden to everyone except the sender and recipient. Let me walk you through the actual user experience. When you first visit Spectre Protocol, you connect your Solana wallet. The system generates an LGAML key pair on your device. Your private key never leaves your computer. It's stored locally in secure storage. Now you're ready to make a private payment. Let's say you want to send 100 USDC. You enter the recipient's address and the amount. Behind the scenes, our SDK encrypts the amount using the recipient's public key, generates a zero-knowledge proof that you have sufficient balance, and submits the transaction to the blockchain. What does the blockchain see? Just encrypted data. The transaction might look like this. From address ending in ABC transfers encrypted data, 7F3A9E, to address ending in XYZ. The amount is completely hidden. But here's the beautiful part. The recipient can decrypt the amount using their private key. They see 100 USDC in their balance. The blockchain validated the math, prevented double spending, and maintained security, all while keeping the amount completely private. Your balance is displayed in the dashboard. You can toggle visibility with an eye icon, but even when visible, it's only visible to you because only you have the decryption key. Under the hood, Spectre Protocol consists of three main components. The smart contract layer is built with Anchor on Solana, using token 2022 with the confidential transfer extension. We've implemented 5 core instructions: initialize confidential mint, initialize user account, deposit confidential, transfer confidential, and withdraw confidential. Each instruction handles encrypted data and validates zero-knowledge proofs on-chain. The encryption layer runs entirely client-side. We generate 256-bit LGAML key pairs, produce 64-byte ciphertexts for amounts, and create 256-byte range proofs. Everything is computed in the browser using web crypto APIs, ensuring your private keys never touch any server. The SDK layer provides a simple API for developers. Initialize an account with one function call. Send a payment with another. It's as easy as using a regular token, but with military-grade privacy built in. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't privacy bad for compliance? Not at all. Spectre Protocol supports optional auditor keys. Organizations can configure a compliance auditor who can decrypt balances for regulatory purposes while keeping them private from everyone else. This makes Spectre Protocol institutional ready. Security is paramount. We use battle-tested cryptography, LGAML encryption, the same system used by Zcash and other privacy protocols. Zero-knowledge proofs ensure mathematical correctness, and we're building on token 2022, which is audited and maintained by the Solana Foundation. No experimental cryptography here. Who benefits from Spectre Protocol? Traders can execute large orders without being front-run. A whale can move millions without everyone seeing their strategy. Businesses can make payroll, pay suppliers, and manage cash flow without exposing their entire financial operation to competitors. Everyday users finally get the financial privacy they deserve. Your coffee purchase doesn't need to be on a public ledger forever. And developers can integrate privacy into any Solana application with just a few lines of code. Spectre Protocol is live on Solana DevNet right now. We've deployed the smart contracts, built a fully functional web interface, and created a production-ready SDK. The code is open source on GitHub. You can test it yourself. Connect a DevNet wallet, initialize a confidential account, and send your first private payment in under 2 minutes. What makes Spectre Protocol innovative? We're the first to implement production-ready token 2022 confidential transfers with a full user interface. Previous implementations were just DMOS or proof of concepts. We've created a developer SDK that makes privacy as easy as using regular tokens. No PhD in cryptography required. We've proven that privacy and performance can coexist. Our transactions settle in seconds with the same speed as regular Solana transfers. And we've designed for compliance from day one, making this institutional-grade infrastructure. This project directly addresses the Solana Privacy Hack Track 1, Private Payments Bounty. We've implemented token 2022 confidential transfer extension, created end-to-end encrypted payment flows, built zero-knowledge proof generation, and delivered a production-ready application. Every requirement is met and exceeded. Looking ahead, we're planning to add support for more tokens, integrate with hardware wallets for enhanced key security, implement multi-signature confidential accounts, and build a mobile SDK for iOS and Android. We're also exploring integration with Solana Pay for privacy-preserving point-of-sale systems. Financial privacy isn't a luxury, it's a fundamental right. Spectre Protocol brings that right to Solana. With encrypted balances, zero-knowledge proofs, and institutional-grade compliance features, we're building the privacy layer that Solana deserves. The code is open source. The app is live on DevNet, and we're ready to bring true financial privacy to millions of users. Thank you for your time.